In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Rollup field in Airtable to summarize data within a sales CRM. Airtable is a powerful platform that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the functionality of a database, making it a useful tool for managing your sales data effectively. In this guide, we'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you capture and summarize your data efficiently. First, let's navigate to Airtable. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Airtable website. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Sign In to access your account. Enter your login credentials and then click on Continue to proceed. With your account open, you'll need to locate the table where you wish to perform your data summarization. Once on the main screen, navigate to the specific table you're working with by clicking on the table name. This is where we'll set up our Rollup field. Now look for the plus sign labeled Add Field and click on it. This will allow us to create a new field. It's important to give your new field a meaningful name that reflects the data it will hold. So take a moment to think of an appropriate name and type it in. Next, click on Link to another record. This step is crucial because it connects your current table with another table within the same base, which houses related records. After linking, choose the specific record you want to connect by clicking on it from the list. Once your link is all set, click on Create Field to finalize this step. If you're prompted to take any additional actions, you can click Skip to move on. Now let's dive into the details of using the Rollup field. In this section, find a blank space, click on it and type in sum. This is crucial as it allows you to set the formula that will be used to summarize your data. Once typed, go ahead and select sum from the formula options and drag it down to apply it to the necessary fields. By setting up a Rollup, you're enabling Airtable to perform calculations across the records you've linked. Next, click on Project 2, assuming that's the next project in your data that needs summarization. Just as before, click on the plus sign labeled Add Field. This brings us to select the field type. In the search bar that appears, type Rollup and then click on Rollup to configure it as the field type. After configuration, you'll need to choose which field from your linked table you want to roll up. Simply click on Choose a Field and then select your preferred field from the list provided. With your preferred field selected, finalize this process by clicking on Create Field. And there you have it. By setting up a Rollup field in Airtable, you've effectively created a dynamic summary that can provide valuable insights into your sales data. Feel free to experiment with different functions and fields to further refine your data analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped in your workflow.